Behind every token, there is someone who pump it. We heard this quote, but in different manner. But Mr. Elon Musk was the first one to pump the meme coins, and also he is the lover of the meme coins. Dogecoin is a big example of it. But at the moment, price of Dogecoin is quite high, and I never ever will say or share that you have to take the entry in Dogecoin now. But a altcoin which is available on BSC right now, and already Mr. Elon Musk, who is basically the saver and also the lover of meme coins, talked about this particular altcoin. That's why I am going to share it with you. So be ready guys to know about this altcoin which is on radar of Elon Musk. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
Elon Space ES3 is a community-driven token, the first of its kind. The only token in the crypto ecosystem that generates the passive income by sharing the revenue from the transaction fees and green mining facilities with holders. The first one thing which you must have to check out, Elon Musk PhD is named as the director of a UK company called Elon Space Limited on an official business register. Already Mr. Elon Musk is going to talk about ES3 every day on his Twitter and some other places. So definitely this coin will reach up to minimum 5000x from this price. Here you can see the two big articles. Elon Musk PhD is named as the director of a UK company called Elon Space Limited on an official business register. So first of all, I will share with you that how you can purchase the coin ES3. I will share the link of the contract address in the description of this video. The first of all thing, how it will work. The team of ES3 is committed to develop green crypto mining concepts and invest in the advancement of the blockchain technology in order to make it more affordable for the planet. About the Elon Space, with the launch of the private space program, the team is closer to the stars than ever before, colonizing other planets just a matter of time. But before we reach out there, we have plenty of things to solve down here. Cryptocurrency is the future, but right now it is linked with excessive use of energy, and generating green and sustainable energy is the biggest challenge humanity is facing. As we all knew, I think 5 to 6 days before, Mr. Elon Musk tweeted one thing, that we are looking, the entire team of the Elon is looking for the cryptocurrency which is basically friendly for the nature, and this coin ES3 is working on it. Hydro solar mining farms. Hydro solar mining farm is the first concept that we are developing, a project that will be presented in detail by next year and discussed with the community. So it's a long-term plan. If you are going to hold this token right now, definitely you will get some extra incentives after 1 year. Elon Space Foundation will host annual open calls where every individual, group, NGO or businesses can apply with renewable energy products, the projects that are innovative and in line with the vision. So overall, the idea behind this entire token is entirely good. Here you can see the entire tokenomics, public deployer wallet, and redistributed to all the holders, auto locked in LP on the PancakeSwap. Penalty tax fee 29% to be burned. So overall, the idea is entirely good. So how you can purchase this token ES3? I will share the link of the contract address in the description of this video. So simply you have to copy that address and then paste it on PancakeSwap exchange. Here you can see the option of ES3. For example, if you are going to buy it with 1 BNB, you will get huge amount of ES3 tokens. So it's the best time for you to take this, to take the entry in this token, because very soon, as per my own idea, Mr. Elon Musk is going to announce some new things about this very altcoin ES3, because the best part of the BSC scan tokens that they are fast and secure. Here you can see both articles. If you want to read it, you can just message me and I will share it with all of you. Already he talked about ES3 multiple times. So I think it's much for you to understand that what's going on and what will happen in near future. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.